the angels before the creation of Adam. According to Ibn Qatada, it was said that the angels were informed about the creation of Adam and his progeny by the jinn who lived before Adam. Abdullah ibn Umar said that the jinn had existed for about 000 years before Adam and then shed blood. Therefore Allah sent on them an army of angels that drove them out to the depths of the seas. Ibn Abi Hatim narrated from Ali Jafar al-Baqi that the angels were informed that man would cause wickedness and shed blood on earth. It was also said that they knew that no one would be created on earth who would not be wicked and shed blood. Whether or not these traditions are correct, the angels did understand that Allah would create Eposid on earth. Allah the Almighty announced that He was going to create a human being out of clay, that He would mold him and blow His spirit into him and then the angels should prostrate before him. Abi Musa al-Sha'ari narrated that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Allah created Adam from a handful of dust taken from different lands. So the children of Adam have been created according to the composition of the land. Therefore from mankind we have white, red, black and yellow ones. We have good and evil, ease and sorrow, and what comes in between.